Wild Keenan sets foot into the wilderness, looking for some deer. He's not a profound hunter, but he'll do the job. But he's looking for one thing and one thing only. A wild ham jam. Will he find them? We must find out on this episode of Oh Deer.
Fuck off!
Perhaps. Does he know who the fuck I am? Definitely not.
This is you,
He's a
motherfucker.
sore little
This is you,
fish
fat
in a
ass.
red shirt.
This is you, fat ass. Eat that
He
mushroom.
doesn't know.
Eat that
I'll
mushroom.
eat it. Oh, I'll eat it. Oh, I'll eat it.
What? Where are you at, fat ass?
Where am I?
Eat. Fart.
Oh, I'll eat and fart.
You son of a bitch.
Oh no.
Fuck.
But then, the deer that Keaton has been looking for finds his way out of his shell and eats him alive. Fuck, you pussy.
Fuck, you fucking terrifying, dude! What the fuck?
Oh. This is you. Don't look at me like that. You're safer now. You're looking so suspicious. Oh. Do you see me right now or no?
Yeah.
Am I doing something suspicious to you?
Yeah.
To you?
No.
Okay. But, hey, was that you? No, you're in the river. I don't know what the trail cams do when I'm putting them down. I think it might be you. Oh, are you here? I hear you. It's my test to find out if, no, if it's, I have a test. Is it one of you guys? Okay. Oh, where are you? Fuck. Hey! I heard that. Oh god. Got my sanity. Over here. That's you.
Fuck! You're on this fucking dock. This is your fat ass right here.
Don't rate me.
I've got you cornered on this fucking
I
dock,
agree to say
bitch.
rape.
Give me a head. Yeah, good boy.
Alright, dude.
Good boy.
Alright, bro.
Oh my god, that wasn't you. The hell?
No,
What the
it
fuck?
wasn't me.
I can stand here like a motherfucking mug. Give me a head, bitch. This motherfucker is very close to a mushroom. I knew it! What the fuck?
Bro, sorry, bro. No, dude, I got stuck in a rock, bro. Go ahead, eat. Nah, I do it. Cross map. Cross map.
Is he on my ass chat?
Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. Lead. Oh, cross map. Oh, that's right in your head, bro. You farted away from that fucking arrow, bro. So it's a replay. It's a replay. Oh my god, dude. I'm trying to cross map you, you motherfucker.
No! Dude, fuck! I fucking saw you eat that shit.
You're on Rosie, bitch ass. Bitch ass boy. Bitch ass boy.
Fuck off, dude! You know I'm fucking lagging! Fuck, dude! Oh my god.
Dude, you should have seen that. I knew it! You're moving so suspicious.
No! I knew it! I missed! I know you got scared. Oh, what the fuck? You're fat ass, bro.
Go! Yes! I made the jump, bro.
Give me head.
Fucking missed me on that cliff, bro.
Fuck. Yes,
Oh,
you're
I
fat
missed
ass,
you,
bro. Damn, fat ass! Where'd you go? Oh fuck!
You're such a dumbass.
Where'd you go, bro?
You're such a dumbass, bro.
Fucking do it, you motherfucker.
Ah! I'm stuck. I'm stuck, I'm stuck, I'm stuck.
Fuck! Fuck off, bro. Where'd you go?
No! You know it was me, not the other one.
I saw your ass sit down and I said, oh, where'd you go?
Dude, stop shitting.
Is it every time that I eat a mushroom, your sanity also goes down?
I don't think so.
Fuck! Did you see me eat it?
Yeah.
Damn it, dude.
This deer's bugging. No, he's not. He's good. He's a good little boy. I'll still kill him though. No fucking way, man. I was totally tugging your balls. It was actually you. I see you still running. Cross map.
Fuck! No!
Cross map. Oh no, cross map. I can't hit you, bro. Bad aim.
Fuck!
Oh my. Oh my god, I got stuck in bear trap. No, dude.
I'm stuck!
No, dude.
Fuck! Was I standing?
Fuck. Where do I go? Where do I go? Oh, that was you! Oh my god! You're such a son of a bitch, man.
Hey man, be that big cheat ass boy, get the fuck out my dick, bro. Get the fuck out my dick, bro. Yo, farting on your busy ass, bro. Get the fuck out my. Hey, fat ass. You fat as fuck, bro. You fat as fuck, bro. Fuck out my dick, bro. What do you know about it? Jump him. Jump his ass. Hey, fuck your fine bitches. All that bitches win. Hey, all that bitches win. Hey, bring your fine ass back over here, bro. Fuck! Hey, turn his ass back! He hit me! He hit me! Where's this fat ass? Where's this fat ass at, bro? Hey, Hunter! Oh shit, he's right there. What the fuck? What the fuck? They're teaming! Y'all some cheating ass motherfuckers. You cheating ass, bro. Shut your bitch ass up. You best believe if me and the Ham Jam that shit. I'm the hunter. The Ham Jam gonna sell you all out, bro. Y'all fucked. Where that deer pussy at? Where that deer pussy at? Y'all better be running. Get that. Oh.
Hey, get the two in the front of the cabin. Get the two. Get the two.
Fuck off, you mother.
Behind the tree. Get the one behind the
You
tree.
motherfuckers.
Get his ass.
Got his ass, bro. Where you motherfuckers at? Sell them out. Damn, motherfuckers are exploding everywhere. Where that deer pussy at? Where that deer pussy at? Ah, you punk bitch. I knew it, fat ass. Y'all got shitted on.
Bro, I told you to shoot the motherfucker by the tree, and you shoot me.
Oh, I did? I was wondering why you weren't giving me comms. He's selling me out! He's selling me out! Fuck off! He's selling me out! This punk bitch! He's not selling me out! Y'all some punk bitches, bruh. Y'all some punk bitches. I guess, that's gonna do it, guys. I think I just got banned. Oh, these motherfuckers selling us out. If you guys like this game, let us know. We'll get back on it. We'll play with viewers, whatever the fuck you guys want. I don't give a shit. I don't give a rat's ass! But you better subscribe! You better subscribe! Alright, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but
Free me.